are supposed to record, no?
So
And only 3 students are there
no, ma'am.
in the team, your team,
4 members, ma'am.
4 members. What about outsiders? You have to invite others also, right? Your classmates. Hmm. Yeah, continue. Start recording.
Yes, ma'am, it's
Yeah,
recording.
please proceed.
We are the students of Bangalore Institute of Technology, currently pursuing a sixth semester in Department of Electronics and Telecommunication. So our mini project is on voice activated home automation, which has been done under the guidance of Professor N.G. Girish Kumar sir, Department of Telecommunication, Bangalore Institute of Technology. So our co-evaluator is Professor Sudha B. Ma'am, Department of Telecommunication Engineering, Bangalore Institute of Technology. So let us look into the contents of this presentation involved. Introduction, objective, scope of project, components required in circuit diagram, Arduino Bluetooth voice controller app, working, advantages and disadvantages, application, result, demonstration, and finally the conclusion and future. Uh, Let us see a small introduction of this voice control home automation. In recent years, there has been an increase in home automation technology. Home automation has become a new trend. It allows us to control home appliances like lights, fan, thermostats, TV, security cameras, etc. by connecting them to a commonly remoteable, controllable network, making it much more accessible and convenient. It brings in home management to a whole new level. It also help us to maximize home security. There are many types of home automation system. Firstly, like power line home automation system using existing power line home automation. Next is wired home automation system, installing a wired system that connects into a control center. Next is wireless home automation system that which we have been used the most popular choice. This is home automation using wireless technology like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and internet. Let us see the objectives of this home automation. The main objectives of this home automation is to help handicapped people and old age people, to design an interference of Bluetooth medium and microcontroller board, to activate communication between an Arduino device and Bluetooth enable Arduino board wirelessly via Bluetooth communication, to detect and transfer speech data via Bluetooth to the microcontroller board. Next is home appliances and alerting them in a critical situation. The further slides will be continued by Umar.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, all. Myself, K. Mohammed Hussain. I am here to continue the project of scope of the project. In order to achieve the objective of this project, the several scopes has been identified. The scope of this project includes the use of the voice recognition system through which the Bluetooth functionality contain the Android device in order to turn on or turn household power points. The project covers the working together of Bluetooth recognition system interface work wirelessly with the microcontroller board includes a program to give microcontroller. Bluetooth functionality is the Bluetooth hardware as well the necessary codes needed for the microcontroller to be able to uh, function properly as denied. Component used in this project Arduino UNO. Arduino UNO is the source microcontroller board, microchip microcontroller board. This board is equipped with sets of digital and analog input output pins. It has 14 digital input output pins and 6 analog input output pins. And next component is HC05 Bluetooth modulo. HC05 Bluetooth modulo is used for serial communication to communicate with electronic devices. It has a frequency range of 2.45 gigahertz. And next components are smartphone or tablet, simple LED, 1 kilo ohm resistors connecting with breadboard, app for transmitting voice to Bluetooth. Arduino Bluetooth voice controller app. Using this app, we can send and receive the data from the devices to an ultrasonic sensor connected to an Arduino using Bluetooth. For connecting the Arduino of the devices from mobile phone using Bluetooth with HC05 modulo was used. The app uses Android built-in speech recognition software for performing speech recognition and pushes the text to the Arduino, which then perform to required command. Voice recognition uses Android devices internal with the recognition to pass where the commands to be connected pairs with the Bluetooth. The serial modulo and sends it to the recognized to a string. Examples are ARM, MSP 430, 8501. Further is continued by Rahul.
Oh, good morning, everyone. Myself, Rahul. Now, let us look into the working of the voice-activated home automation. In this project, a simple voice-activated home automation system is designed. Voice commands are used to give different applications. We now see the working of this project. All the connections are made as per the circuit diagram. Now, let us look into the connections. As you see in the block diagram, we have used a Bluetooth HC05 module, which can basically consist of 5 pins, out of which we have used only 4 pins. The RX pin, which is used for receiving command, TX pin for transfer of data, ground, getting 5-volt power from the source, and VCC to positive power. So now we have to connect a Bluetooth with a Arduino. So the RX pin of the Bluetooth will be connected to the TX pin of the Arduino, and TX pin of the Bluetooth will be connected to the RX pin, and ground will be connected to the ground, and the VCC will be connected to the 5-volt power. After making these connections, so now we have to configure the LEDs to the breadboard. After configuration, we have to connect the wires from the Arduino to the respective LEDs. So we have chosen the pins as 13 for red, 9 for green, and 8 for blue. And we have to ground a wire from the Arduino to the breadboard. So after the successful connection, we have to use a USB cable to connect the Arduino to the system. So after making this kind of necessary connections, we have to switch on the power supply to the circuit. Now we have to pair the phone's Bluetooth to the HC05 module Bluetooth. So the next step is to connect the phone with the Bluetooth module. For this, choose the option Connect HC05 and select the appropriate Bluetooth device. If the device aren't paired earlier, we need to pair them using now the pin of HC05 module. So after the successful connections, the devices are ready to transmit data. For that, we have to press a microphone icon on the app and start giving voice commands. So we have to make sure that the voice recognition features is enabled on a phone. For example, if you press the microphone icon and say turn on the light, the app will recognize the command and transfers it to the Bluetooth module. Also, the command gets displayed on the screen for our reference. So when the string turn on light is detected by the app, it will send the string as turn on, star turn on hash. So the actual message received by the Bluetooth module is in the format hash message, star message hash. The reason for the padding of star and the hash at the beginning and later of the string is to identify the starting and the end of the message. We are able to detect hash from the string but left out the star. In order to identify the starting of the string, the receiving message is compared with some of predefined strings. And if the message matches with any of them, corresponding action like turning on or turning off of the load happens. We have used the following commands like turn on red LED, turn off red LED, turn on blue LED, turn on blue LED, turn on green LED, turn off blue LED, turn on all, and turn on off. So for that, it will be continued by Vinay.
Good morning, one and all. Now let us look into the advantages of this project. The voice-activated home automation system will help us to control different loads like electrical appliances with simple voice commands. This kind of system is very useful for people with disabilities. The project can be expanded by adding different sensors like light, smoke, etc. There are many more advantages like as it reduces the human efforts. Now let us look into the disadvantages. The disadvantages are cost is little bit expensive, and these devices typically do not remember the history, and they also depend upon internet connections and the obstacles it has in each home that can make it less than reliable. Now let us look into the applications. The applications are light control, security, HVAC means heating, ventilating and air conditioning, smart grid, sensors, door locks, windows, power outlets, home theater, and scenarios. The result of this project are the main aim of this project is to design a system in such a way that it can yield maximum output with minimum complexity. There are some issues that arises when using this system. The problems related to this project are the pronunciation of a user when doing the process. For a pronunciation matter, the system takes it at a quite high level of sensitivity. So when the user wishes to use the system, he or she must be able to produce the word with the correct pronunciation as in the training process. Now I will show the demonstration video. Prithvi, you can stop sharing. First, we load the code into the Arduino board. Now I will give the voice command to turn on and turn off the LEDs. On. As you can see, all the LEDs are glowing. And now if I give the voice command as off, it will off. Off.
Only what commands you can give?
Ma'am, on and off, ma'am.
Only on and off.
Yes, ma'am. We can turn on all, ma'am, and we can also turn on and turn off one by one, ma'am.
We can turn on and off each separately, ma'am.
Okay. What changes you can do? Additional scope?
Ma'am, additional means it
We
can
can try it
be
on different devices.
fans, LED bulbs.
Motors, we can do it on the other devices, ma'am.
Okay. So
Now I will.
which reference you have taken this idea?
Ma'am?
Idea from where you have taken? Project idea I'm asking.
I'm Google on it.
Researching, ma'am.
So you didn't refer any paper or anything?
In Google, ma'am, we referred.
Only Google. Google Mate.
Yeah, Google and YouTube, ma'am. I've referred in both of them.
You have not referred any paper. Okay. So what will be the other applications you can suggest?
Fans, motors.
All home
TV.
appliances.
Okay. Fine. That's fine. You send your report to the sir, Grace sir. Okay? And recordings also.
Yes.
Okay, you can end the meeting.
Ma'am, shall I turn on one by one, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay. Red on. Blue on. Green on. Green off. Turn off green LED.
ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಇಂಟರ್ವ್ಯೂ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ಇದು?
Turn off red LED. Turn off blue LED. Prithvi, you can share conclusion part. And finally, we see the conclusion and future part of this future of this project. From this project, it can be concluded that the usage of voice is capable to be one of the method to control the electrical devices, provided a suitable system is used. And the future of this project is, as we can see, IoT home automation is slowly but steadily becoming a part of our daily lives around the world. It helps us to design a low-cost automation using Arduino system, which is easy to use and has a good reliability and real-time features.
That's the reference field.
These are the references which we researched on this.
Okay. Fine.
Thank you.
Thank you.